Good day everyone. Today let's tackle about inverse hyperbolic function. So let's get started. But first, here's the learning objectives of this lesson. First, learn and recognize how to apply inverse hyperbolic functions. Next, identify inverse hyperbolic functions and their formula. Last, apply the formulas from the derivatives of the inverse hyperbolic function. What is inverse hyperbolic functions? So hyperbolic function is the inverse functions of hyperbolic functions are referred to as inverse hyperbolic functions or area hyperbolic functions. But of course, before we jump to the formula of inverse hyperbolic functions, let's explore these six inverse hyperbolic functions and what are those. First, we have the inverse hyperbolic sine or denoted as hyperbolic arc sine x. Next one is inverse hyperbolic cosine or denoted as hyperbolic arc cos x. The third one is inverse hyperbolic tangent, hyperbolic known as arc tan x. Same as the inverse hyperbolic cosecant, this sign is also known as arc cosecant x, and the inverse hyperbolic secant or arc sec x, and the last one is inverse hyperbolic cotangent, read as arc cot hx. Those are the six inverse hyperbolic functions. Now let's move on to inverse hyperbolic functions table. As you can see here, I made a table for us to simplify understand the inverse hyperbolic function. What is the function, formula, domain, range, and basic properties? So the formula of hyperbolic sine is ln x plus square root of x squared plus 1. The formula of inverse hyperbolic cosine is ln x plus square root of x squared minus 1. The inverse hyperbolic tangent is 1/2 ln 1 plus x over 1 minus x. The hyperbolic cosecant is ln 1 plus square root of x squared plus 1 over x. Inverse hyperbolic secant is ln 1 plus square root of 1 minus x squared over x. Inverse hyperbolic cotangent is 1/2 ln x plus 1 over x minus 1. Examples of inverse hyperbolic functions. We have here the given formula arc sine, which is x is the 3 and let's apply to its given formula. And applying value of 3, we have substitute the 3 in x of the given equation. So in arc sine, 3 is equals to ln 3 plus square root of 3 squared plus 1. And the next is to simplify after applying the value, and we have to equate these two inside the parentheses. 3 squared plus 1 is equals to 10, and ln 3 plus square root of 10 is equals to 1.82. So we have here final answer of our example number 1. So the next example is arc tan. So we have here the given x is 7/8, so we just apply this to the given formula. Arc tan negative 7/8 equals 1/2 ln 1 minus 7/8 over 1 plus 7 equals 1/2 ln 1 over 8 over 15/8 equals 1/2 ln 1 over 15. So the answer is negative 1.35. The third example is arcsec 0.5 is the x value. Then substitute the value arcsec 0.5 equals ln 1 plus square root of 1 minus 0.5 square over 0.5. To simplify, ln 1 plus square root of 1 minus 0.25 over 0.5 is equals ln 1 plus square root of 0.75 over 0.5. To calculate, ln 1 plus 0.866 over 0.5 equals ln 3.732. So the final answer is arcsec 0.5 equals 1.32. The fourth example is arccot. The given x is 2. Arccot x equals 1 over 2 ln x plus 1 over x minus 1. To substitute, arccot 2 equals 1 half ln 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 1 half ln 3 equals 112 times 1.10. So the final answer is arccot 2 equals 0.55. So the sixth example is arccos. The given x is e cubed over 2. Arccos x equals ln x plus x square minus 1. This is the formula of arccos. Then substitute the given x value. Arccos e cubed over 2 equals ln e cubed over 2 plus square root of e cubed over 2 square minus 1 equals ln e cubed over 2 plus square root of 3 times 2 equals e to the power of 6 over 4 minus 1. X to the power of n equals x m times n. This as we go on to derivative of inverse hyperbolic functions. So as you can see here, we have inverse function of derivative. Inverse function y equals hyperbolic sine or d over dx. Arc sine x equals 1 square root of x squared plus 1 which is x all real. Y equals hyperbolic cosine or d over dx. Arc cos x equals 1 over square root of x squared minus 1 which is x all real greater than 1. Y equals hyperbolic tan or d over dx. Arc tan x equals 1 over 1 minus x squared which is x is all real less than 1. Y equals cosecant or d over dx. Arc cosecant x equals negative 1 minus x squared of 1 plus x squared which is x all real except 0. Y equals inverse hyperbolic secant or d over dx arc secant x equals -1 over x squared of 1 minus x squared, which is x all real 0 and 1. Lastly, y equals inverse hyperbolic cotangent or d over dx arc cotangent x equals 1 over 1 minus x cubed, which is x all real greater than 1. So we have here an example. Find the derivative of y equals -8 arc cot 21 x cubed. Y prime equals -8 1 over 1 negative 21 x cubed square times 63 square. So the derivative is -504 x cubed over 1 minus 441 x to the power of x6. Let's try to answer this derivative. Find the derivative of y equals x to the power of -4 minus arc cos 4x to the power of 7. So applying chain rule, we get y prime equals -24x to the power of -5 minus 1 over square root of 4x to the power of 7 square -1 times 28 x over 6. So for the formula is equals y prime equals 1 over square root of x squared minus 1. So we apply this. So the derivative of is y prime equals -24 over x to the power 5 minus 28 x to the power of 6 over square root of 16 x to the power of 14 minus 1. So here's the derivative. So go to the next example. Y equals arc sec 81x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of -9 arc sine 6x to the power of 7 plus 103x to the power of 8. So y prime equals negative infinity 1 x to the power of 4 1 minus 81 over 4 over 1, then times 3 to 4 x to the power of 3 minus parenthesis negative 45 x to the power of negative 10 arc times arc sine 6x over 7 plus 5x over at the power of 9 times 1 over the square root of 6x to the power of 7 square plus 1 times 42x up to the power of 6 plus 824x to the power of 7.
Nagdok ko yung mugok makita.
So y prime equals minus negative 3 to 4 x to the power of 3 81 x to the power of 4 square root of 1 x minus 81 x to the power of 4 square minus negative 45x to the power of negative 10 arc sine times 6x to the power of 7 minus I plus 210 x to the power of negative 9 x power of 6 over square root of 6x to the power of 7 square plus 1 plus 824x power of 7. So let's erase this on top because
Babaw pa babaw.
this solution is very long and we need to erase some first.
Nakubos pa ana. Kaya pabili ng y prime. Nakita ba?
Then y prime equals
Answer na.
negative 324 x cubed. Eighty-one x to the power of 4 square root of 1 minus 81 x to the power of 4 square plus 45 x to the power of negative 10 arc sine plus 210 x to the power of negative 9 x to the power of 6 over square root of 6 to the power of 7 square plus 1 plus 824 to the power of x to the power of 7 and y prime equals 45 arc sine 5 arc sine times over x to the power of 10 minus 4 over x square root of 1 minus 6561 x to the power of 8 minus 210 over x cubed square root of 36 x to the power of 14 plus 1 plus 824 x to the power of 7 so this is the derivative of number 2.